So dear students, today we will discuss about some formatting tags of HTML, and first of those tags is the font tag. So as the name suggests, the font tag controls three things, that is the size of the font, the color of the font and the style of the font. So size of the font means that what is the text size of the font or the text that we are using in a HTML document. Then the color, as the name suggests, used to set the color of the text, and face is used to select the style of the font that you want to apply to the text. For example, you may want to apply Arial or Times New Roman or Gammon or Comic Sans Serif, any font style you may want to apply. So you may see here the example is given that here we have the font tag starting from here. Then we have the font face at the first attribute, which we have given Arial. Then the font size, which is given as 4, and the font color, which is given as blue. So these are the three attributes of the font tag. So either we can use all the three attributes, or we can use two attributes, or we can use only one attribute. But at least one attribute should be used with the font tag. We could not use font tag without an attribute. So at least one attribute should be there. So you can see between the start font tag and the end font tag, it is written how are you. So how are you will be displayed in Arial size 4 and color as blue. Now one by one we will go through the different type of attributes that we have in a font tag. So let us see, there are three attributes of the font tag. The first attribute is the size attribute. The size attribute controls the size of the text in HTML document, and the value of the size attribute could be 1 to 7. Okay, so you can give any value between 1 to 7, and the default size of the text is 3. So as you can see in the example, we have given font size is equal to 5, and hello is written between the start font tag and the end font tag. So the hello would be displayed in size 5. So now let's come to the next attribute, that is the face attribute. The face attribute suggests the type of font style that you want to apply to the text. So here we have applied a font style called Gammon. Then face font face is equal to Gammon. So how are you will be displayed in the font Gammon. So you can apply any other font such as Arial, Times New Roman, Comic Sans, Helvetica, or whatever. There are so many different font styles which are available that you may assign to the face attribute. And the third attribute, as you can see here, is the color attribute. The color attribute is used to apply the color to the font. So here we have given font color is red. So the hello word would be displayed in the red color. Now let's move to the next topic, that is the base font tag. So the base font tag is also like the font tag, but the difference is that base font tag gives the basic settings for the color, font and the size of the HTML document. So the base font tag can be written in the head tag as well as it could be written in the body tag. So wherever you may want to write, you may write, and the base font tag does not have any end tag, and the attribute of the base font tag are same as the attributes of the font tag, that is the face, color and size. So I am repeating again, the base font tag is used for giving the basic font style, font color or font size of the HTML document, and it has the same attributes as the font tag. Now let's move to the next topic, that is the center tag. Center tag is a tag which is used to align anything which is between the start center tag and the end center tag at the center of the HTML document. It could be text, it could be image. So whatever you write, it will be placed at the center of the web page. So whatever you will put between the center start center tag and the end center tag will be displayed at the center of the HTML document. Now, some questions you may write down. What is the difference between the font and the base font tag, and what is the use of the center tag? So these you have to do in your notebooks. Now let us see that how these tags work. So first let us make use of the font tag. So here we are writing font color is equal to red, size is equal to 5, and face is equal to Comic Sans MS, and here we are giving in between hello world, and we are closing the font tag. Now we save it, and after saving we see the output, that how it looks. So here we have the output. So you can see here, okay, the red color does not display because the spelling of the color is not correct. So again we save it and we see what happens. So you may see here the color of the text becomes red, the size is 5, and the face, that is the font style, is Comic Sans MS. So we can also change the font style or the color, and the color will change here also. So we can see we can give it blue color, and we change the Comic Sans MS to the another font style, let us say Arial, and we save it, and we again go to the web page and we refresh it. So you can see the font style and the font color has changed to blue and the Arial. Now let us discuss another tag that we have. I have so anything is there, if you put it in between, the center tag will be placed at the center of the web page. So now the center tag is there, and we place all the hello word in between the center tag, and we again save it and we refresh it, and you can see here the text is placed at the center of the web page. So this is the use of the center tag. Now let's see how we can use the base font tag. So the font and base font tag are almost having the same attribute, so we can cut it from here, and we can place this after the head tag, and here we give base font. Okay, and after giving the base font tag, and we can make some changes. Here we are giving it another color, let's say green, and the size we may change to 6, and again we are giving it as the base font as Times New Roman, and now we save it, and we refresh it. Let us see. So this is the basic font style and font size and font color for the web page. And now if we want to change all these, then we can also apply a font tag to change the basic settings that we have given through the base font. So font tag will override the basic settings given by the base font tag. So if you are using some other text with the font tag, then that will be applied and base font settings will not be applied. Okay, so let me give you an example here. Again we are using the font tag, and after the font tag we are giving something let's say we are writing how are you, and we close the font tag, and let's see what happens. So here the color is blue, size is 5, and it is Arial. So you can see the hello world is not written inside the font tag, so the base font settings will be applied, and how are you is written the inside the font tag, so it will override the basic settings of the base font tag. So we can see here, file, save, and see the output. So you may see how are you has overridden the settings of the base font, and it has applied the settings of the font tag, whereas the hello world has the basic settings of the base font. So I hope you must be able to understand. Try it out at your home, practice. Thank you.